Hidden away you will find this almost 5-acre gem of beautiful park feel land. Come and get away from it all, make this place home. Lovely 2 bedrooms 2 baths enclosed mobile home with a bonus room. Open floor plan with plenty of room to entertain, spacious living and family area, eat-in kitchen, 2 cozy bedrooms and bathrooms, indoor laundry and plenty of storage. This property has it all. A lovely outdoor gazebo to continue to fall in love with nature, a nice size carport that leads to a 24/16 electric powered utility shed workshop with tons of storage. New metal roof on home, gazebo, and shed in 2018. Many in and out of Florida have found this hidden gem called Citrus County. Encounter environmentally protected regions, animals, a huge variety of flora and fauna for those craving the outdoors. There are infinite outdoor recreational options. Boating, fishing, scalloping, swimming with manatees, kayaking, cycling, camping, and much more. Call today and begin your vacation or staycation.